Hey guys, today's video mag-unboxing na naman tayo. We are unboxing an Amazon gift. From Amazon. Another Amazon gift again. So we are in unboxing gift from Amazon. Yeah, it's from Amazon unboxing gift. So, do you want to see what's inside? Me too, I want to. But for that, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell below for other update to my channel. I'm sorry to my voice because I'm having a cough. I don't have a flu, but I'm coughing and then my voice is not good. So we just started now to open it. Look at that. The gift is mine. This is easy to open. Yeah. Oh, ako nun. Oh, it's two. Tada. Oh. And, okay. Let's start it. This is a timer shower clock. Wow. God. Kapag bago pa lang. This is the... Pwede mo siyang... You can put in the door. I think. To... In the wall. Like this. I'm not sure if you can see. Like that. Basta ganun. Just like that. And... May battery ba ito? Wait, I will check the battery. You need 2 battery in here. So because of that, we need a battery. Wait. Yeah. That time, you can see may time na siya. So we just doing that later. And the next one, we have a lot. I don't know what is this. Ooh. I think a magnet for the things. Magnet. Yeah. And a gift notice with our babies. Enjoy your gift. Ayan siya. Yung mga ano niya. So, meron pa ba? Wala na. Yun lang. I have an clock and then I have this from Amazon. And it's, yeah, this. Unboxing box. I hope you enjoy it and next time again. Bye-bye.